So, hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Thoughtful of Education. Thoughtful of Education initiative is to enrich the user experience at collegeunion.com and try to bridge a long due gap between the management and the students. So, today we are having with us Professor Sangeeta Shetty ma'am. She is a HOD of Electric Department from Ashok Ramani Group of Institute, Kolhapur. So, welcome to the interview, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, before going ahead towards the interview, can you just give a brief introduction of yourself, ma'am?
Yeah. I'm Sangeeta Hanuman Shetty. I have completed my BTech and MTech from Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli. I have 19 plus years of experience and I'm working as a head of the department in electrical engineering at Ashok Ramani Group of Institutions, Vata from last 10 years. I am pursuing my PhD from Shivaji University, Kolhapur, and electrical machine, electrical measurement, control system and power electronics. These are some areas of my expertise.
Great, ma'am, great. So, shall we start with the interview, ma'am?
Yes.
So, ma'am, my very first question, what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
So teaching learning process and research. This is my passion and this passion has kept me connected with this teaching sector.
Great, ma'am, great. So, ma'am, my next question, how does the curriculum of Ashok Ramani Group of Institution ensure the best practice for the industry?
Sir, basically we are affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere, and we are referring curriculum of DPATU. They have introduced lectures, along with the lectures and practicals, they have introduced some simulations and then mini and mega projects, live projects and some case studies, and also they have included the internship for the students. So this curriculum is actually a perfect blend between education theory, means academic theory and industry practices.
Great, ma'am, great. So, ma'am, my next question, what do you see Ashok Ramani Group of Institutions' greatest strength?
Sir, we have well-equipped laboratories, we have good classrooms, then we have good teaching learning process in our institute. Our research and development cell is very active. Many of our faculties are publishing their papers in various journals like Scopus and Web of Science. We have good alumni connections, good alumni network, as well as we have good parent teachers association, and we have very well maintained infrastructure, and the major strength of our institute is it is easily accessible as it is located near to our highway NH4.
Great, ma'am, great. So, ma'am, my very last question, any suggestions you would like to give to current youth and aspiring students?
I have observed that many students are not focusing on their studies. Maybe the reason is mobile gadget. One suggestion I have for this young generation, that keep your mobile aside as far as possible and focus on your studies, gain maximum knowledge during your study of 4 years, and along with the knowledge you have to develop your skills, which is most prominently required in the industry.
Great, ma'am, great. So, ma'am, thank you so much. This was a very insightful session with you. So, everyone, this was Ashok Ramani ma'am, HOD of department, Mr. Sangeeta Shetty ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.